Hi, and welcome to the demo on punching down on a jack. So what we need to do first is we're going to untwist our pairs. That way we can put them into the jack to get them punched down. As you can see, it's not that easy. They like to get stuck together. Keep in mind you may have to twist these around some to get them in the correct order for going into the jack, depending on the standard that you use. But we'll get these twisted out or untwisted. Alright, our pairs are untwisted. We got them set. If you look here, this is a keystone holder. What this does is gives you stability. So if you're at a wall and you try to put the jack in your hand and punch down, that's not really going to work. It's not stable and just not really good for punching down. So what we're going to do here is get our cabling ready, and then we'll move on to the next video, which is punch down. So we're going to follow the B standard, and looking at the jack here, there is an A and B on both sides. So we're going to go ahead and follow that standard, the first one being orange, orange, white, and then green, green, white. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put our orange in, and with the orange in, we're going to go ahead and push down so that the cable is actually nice and tight in the connector. And then we're going to go ahead and put our orange white in. Again, making sure we push down so that the cable is in the jack and in the connector. Alright, so that one's nice and tight. Now the orange is nice and tight. Now we're going to do the green. And that's in nice and tight, and green, white. And that's in nice and tight. So now all of our cabling's in nice and tight. We're going to go ahead and do the other side. The other side starts with brown, and then brown, white. So go ahead and do the brown, and then the brown, white, and then the blue and blue, white. Alright, so our jack is wired. We're going to go ahead and get the punch down tool, punch down, and then we'll secure the wiring and call it good. So we'll see you in the next video, which is about punching down and securing the wiring.